Hello, it's Wednesday. Welcome to Wednesday session. And we are very much at decision point, crunch time, okay? So as always, please share my videos, like my page, follow me, share with the widest amount of people as possible because people need to know this. This absolutely breaks you out of a cycle, that awful ferris wheel that keeps you trapped, going round and round, getting the same outcomes with twice the energy. I mean, we all need a break, don't we? So yes, please, I'm Liz from the Guru Co. I'm here to serve you. So let me know how you feel. I think I have answered everybody's emails. If I haven't, please come back to me and tell me, because I would hate to leave anybody out. So, most coaches and mentors would absolutely say, do not compare yourself to anybody else. Well, as you know, I'm not like most coaches, and I'm going to argue with that because I believe in leading fearlessly, and these people are out there doing what they do, and we can learn from them. And the only way to learn from them is to compare ourselves. Not that comparison is the thing we need to fear, it's our approach to comparison, the belief behind comparison that we need to change. So what am I trying to say? So if you're coming from it from an angle, and I said this to a client the other day, if you're trying to shake hands with a clenched fist, are you really shaking hands on a friendship basis? No. So if you're going to compare yourself with an open heart and an open mind and say, what lessons can I learn? Because the biggest thing out there is, if somebody else is doing it, then so can you and so can I, because that's how we evolve. We learn from each other, because absolutely look at possibilities around us. So before we go much further, we are going to delve back in, as always, to this little booty here, okay, which is for you to download if you haven't already, if you're just catching us. And we are stepping into, excuse me, I think this is page 8, I'm not sure now, I need to count up. We're into this bit, okay? This is into you and your old beliefs and you and your preferred beliefs. Now this is the exact thing, this is the exact exercise and framework that I used when I made my decision to leave nursing after 26 years. That's how big a decision can be, okay? So a career versus starting up your own new business. There you go. How's that? But this is the exact replica of what I did, and the questions that I have put here are the questions that absolutely will break through that noise, break through that jumble of overwhelm and risk, in order for you to make an informed choice, okay? Because when you change the way you believe and the way you think, your behaviors change. When your behaviors change, everything changes, your outcomes change. Just think about it. When you change your behavior from overeating, always back to food with me, from overeating to getting off the sofa and exercising and walking somewhere and doing something, your shape changes, your health changes. So, and that's exactly what we're doing with our mind. When you decide to do something different, think something different, you will approach it in such a different way that all your outcomes will change. So that's what this is all about, okay? These questions that I've included are comparing your old belief with your old, younger, less knowledgeable mindset, your more naive way and understanding, okay, compared to now with a new belief and an adult head of where you are going and where, what is it, Lisa Nichols, one of my favourite people in the world, says that your dreams live in a different zip code, okay? That's what we're doing. We're moving away, we're moving up. And as a leader, we need to make those informed choices. This takes the pain away. It absolutely takes the muddle and the pain away, because you go step by step. Okay, we all suffer from decision fatigue, especially when we're in leadership roles and we're bombarded with stuff all the time. We have to make decisions, and sometimes we just want to lay down and just go, oh, I don't want to make another decision in my life. And then we make snap decisions that we go, oh God, fingers crossed, I hope that works out. This is not what it's about. This is about giving you absolutely a categorical map that you don't have to deviate from. But like everything, take each question, explore it with curiosity, make the most of it, because that's where the real gold mine is. That's where the little nuggets are. I hope you enjoy rooting around in there. Take your time. I'm open for questions again, so let me know, okay? And Friday is our last day, so be there. Let me know how you get on, and I'll speak to you Friday. Bye bye for now.